Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to share a common but very frustrating problem which many machine owners, vehicle owners or technicians face. And what is that problem? That problem is starter motor not operate while engine hot. When engine is cold, at any time you start the machine easily start. But after 1 hour, 2 hours, when machine become hot, when machine is hot and you off the machine for any reason, and you try to again start it, but it's not starting. And technicians or owner become very frustrated. The morning it easily start, but now it's not starting. What happened? Everything is okay. Battery is okay, starter motor is okay. But if you wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, then it easily start. So this problem today I also face it. So therefore I made this video for you people. So we learn why this problem come and how we can diagnose this type of a problem. So be with me. Let's start. In a hot condition, so it's not starting. So be with me. So we will check all the starting point. What is the problem? Why this machine is not starting? So again I show you, it's not starting. So here I show you these two relays. I will check these two relays are a starting relay. Okay, I check also these relays. Maybe these relays are making some problem. These two relays are starting relay. I will change this relay. Okay, so viewers, also I checked, here's not any issue. Okay, so you can see this time is no power is coming here. Okay, this time is my switch is on. Okay, so this is start relay. When I press this start button, now it's starting. Okay, this power is coming, but my boom load is not starting, but power is coming here. When I left this one, so it's become off. You can see on start, this power is coming here in this relay, but my load is not starting. Okay, I show you here again. This wire, upper wire, this wire is coming from the switch, and this down wire it goes to my starter. So I also check here. So now I fix my tester is downside in that down wire. So I'm going to start it. Now it is off, on, and you can see this power downside is also coming. So it's mean the power is coming. This relay is power is coming from the switch, and also it goes to my starter, but my boom loader is not starting. So what is the issue? I also go that side. I will show you. To this I have came this side. So I'm going to start it, and I will ask to operator start. Okay, you can see start. But now I put my tester here. Okay, start. So you can see power is coming also here, but it's not starting. Chod. You heard that sound? Car start. You can, power is coming but not starting. But when I give a direct start, it will start. I show you. So here's now I show you to direct start. I fix this wire and show you it will start direct. I have fixed this wire here, starting point. I fix this wire on the starting point. I'm going to start. Machine is in on position, so I'm going to start. So you can see now it's starting. So views in front of you, I check all the connections, relay, key switch, everything. I check wire is power is also coming. In when morning time, when it is cold, is working well. So it means starter is not problem. Problem this solenoid. I think it's a coil has become weak. When this coil is weak, engine is hot. This become hot. So due to this weak weakness of this coil, it need more energy. So therefore when we direct take power from here to here, so it started easily even in a hot condition. So I decided fix a relay here which take power from here to give to the solenoid. So now I'm going to fix a relay here. So what I will do, the wire which is coming from the starter, here I give here the energize the coil, okay, and input of the coil taking from here and output is giving here. And so you can see I have made the connection for the coil. First I show you the coil. This one is this, so I connect to the body of the engine. So this will goes to the ground of the coil of the relay, okay. And this relay, this wire you can see is coming from here. This is a battery. This will go to the input of the relay. And this one is a third wire, you can see is I connected to the solenoid of the starter, okay. This will connected to the output of the relay, okay. And this one is a fourth wire. This is coming from the switch, okay. And this will I connect to the positive side of the coil of the relay. This will energize the relay, okay. This ground and this wire which coming from the switch, this will energize the coil of the relay. And these two wires will goes to the input and output of the relay. This one and these two wires for energize the relay, and this wire and this wire is for switching, okay. This coming from the battery, and this wire goes to the solenoid coil, and this one is my positive, and this one is this one positive coming from the switch, and this wire is coming from the ground. Here you can see. So viewers, you can see I properly fixed the relay here. So after fixing everything back, I will start the engine. So viewers, you can see I have fixed all the things back, okay. Now I'm going to start and show you my machine is working or not. Start car. Start. Okay. So you can see now it is starting good. Not any problem. So viewers, I hope you like this video and you understand when this problem is occurred and how we can solve it. Because in the over that time, when the coil of the solenoid become weak, so it need more power. Therefore, we put a relay to give it power. So why we need more power? Actually, when coil become weak and in hard condition, its resistance increase. To overcome that resistance to start the machine, we need more power. So therefore, by using the coil, we get power near to that solenoid, because how much we near to the source, it give more power. So when we from the switch, it power coming very long distances, its power become low. Therefore, that power is not enough to start the machine. So therefore, we put the relay and get the source of power as near as we needed. So therefore, I put the relay. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.